Hello scholars, this week we're going to create a project using the principal design called movement. You're going to write your name, either the left side or the right side, doesn't matter. I usually write my name on the right. Then you're going to flip it over. And what we're going to do is we're going to create different types of shapes and lines to create movement. So we're going to first start off with a curved line on the top right side. And we're going to make a loop-de-loop line. And then we're going to curve around. And inside of the swirl here, we're going to create a circle. So we are still overlapping. Now we're going to create loop-de-loop lines. So we're using all the elements here that we've learned over this past school year. And now we're going to create some curved lines at the bottom so it'll look like a rainbow, a side rainbow. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we're going to create a curved line on the right side in the middle. Then we're going to create a hump on the top right side. Then we're going to create a curved line on the top right. Just like so. And a circle in the middle. I'm going to just use my circle stencils right in the middle. And now we're going to create on the bottom of my paper here a curved line. So I have a circle. And now we're going to create a diagonal. Let's go. Actually, let's do this because this is going to cover the paper really well. It's going to overlap. Let's do a wavy line connecting, and then we're going to do another swirl line. So this part will be a swirl line on the side. So it looks more like a snake or a snail or seahorse, because the seahorse at the bottom. So now that we have all our lines and shapes up, but we want to add some more shapes. We don't have enough shapes, we only have 2, so let's add some more. I'm going to use the circle stencil here, and I'm just going to make some lines going from the bottom to the top. And I'm going to space them out here. So I am drawing the circles above the curve line. And I'm going to also create some shapes here in this wavy line section. And this is going to be some triangles. And the triangles actually don't have to be perfect. Okay, so here is our lines. Now we're going to outline everything. And I'm going to use my black marker. You can use a black marker, color pencil, crayon, or you can use any dark color to outline. I would suggest a purple or a blue. Those are the two darkest colors that you could use. And then we will start to color this abstract drawing together. So here is everything outlined. Now we're going to color everything. So what you're going to do, you can pick any color you would like that you would choose. So this thing about this project as rainbow, or and using the primary and secondary colors a lot of the project, and you can repeat the colors as well. So what I'm going to do is start out with the shapes first. I think that working with the shapes first will help the design really well. And so I'm going to use color crayons and markers for this project, just to show that you can use multiple materials for the project. You don't have to just stick with one material. If you have color pencils, crayons, and markers at home, you can use all of those colors in your sets. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to figure out where I want to put my colors. And that's what you're going to do on your own, is to figure out where you want to put your colors and how well you're going to use your primary and secondary colors. So you want to use all of your colors that you have at home. We want to make this as bright and as abstract as possible. The more colors you add, the better you'll see the lines and shapes pop out. I'm going to use the color black for this circle right here. So you can color one shape with the color black, like I'm doing, just to show the contrast between the light colors and the dark colors, but only one shape. I don't want it to be too much in the areas of all dark colors. We want to have a variety. So I'm gonna finish this shape, and then I'm gonna work off camera, and then I will show you the ending result. Here is the finished work with all of the coloring done. I left the middle part white to do a nice contrast between the two, between the dark colors and the lighter colors of the abstract design.